Want to know how to use the quick login in Roblox from PC to phone? Quick login lets you sign in fast and securely using a one-time code, which is great for switching devices. In this video, I'll show you how to use quick login on Roblox from PC to phone. So let's get started. Let's start with PC to phone. First, open your browser, then go to roblox.com, then click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select Quick Sign In. Now take your phone, open Roblox app, tap Sign In. Then from the top left corner, tap back. Now tap on Quick Sign In. A QR code and a code will pop up. Type this code on your PC, then confirm Login. Now click on Done, and you'll be logged in on your phone. So that's how you can use Quick Sign In on Roblox from PC to phone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.